Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a haul video. The other day, like from 24 to 27, there was this Nika haul. I got my hands on a few products that I think are very affordable, and I made sure that it was within the budget. I know I'll leave it to you guys to decide how much I actually spent, but I got like all the, not all, like the basic makeup essential stuff. So yeah, let's get into the video. Also, oh yeah, wait, this is the box I'm talking about. Please don't get scared by the size because it's too big, but there are like only 5 things in it. But yeah, these are the things. I will start showing them to you as we get into the video. Okay, so the first product I got was a foundation. This is Super Stay Full Coverage Maybelline Foundation. It's in the shade 320 Honey. So earlier I will tell you my foundation story. So earlier I had a foundation which was Maybelline Fit Me, and it was matte, yeah, but the shade was ivory and it was too fair for my skin. So when I applied, when I used to apply it, I used to look like a ghost. It was very obvious that I applied makeup and all of that. So the whole point of makeup is not to look like you applied makeup, right? So I got a shade lighter, no, a shade darker, which is Honey. I think I went overboard and got a really dark shade. I was confused between Sun Beach and Honey, but I ended up getting Honey, and I think this is going to be a little darker on my skin, but let's try it out. So the whole point, so what does full coverage actually mean is I have few scars over here if you guys observe, oh, and a few tiny pimples over here if you guys observe. So the whole point of full coverage is in within one go it levels out your skin with less acne, I would say, because if you have more acne you would need at least 2 layers of this, because full coverage means it's going to cover the entire thing provided you have just tiny scars or just little tiny pimples. But if you have like an outburst of acne like really huge and you want to cover it up with this, then I think you should go for like at least 2 or 3 layers of foundation for it to completely level it to your skin and for it to completely look normal. So I'm gonna go ahead, I took a little on my this thing, and I'm gonna, so if you see there was a mole and it has done a pretty good job by covering that mole. I think I did not even take a mole. Like I said, it's a little darker on my skin. Maybe when I get like super tanned or something, I think it would be perfect. Or I could always mix up my old foundation, a little drop of it into this, and it will make it a little, correct. So next up, I got an eyeshadow palette. This was supposed to be 499 rupees. That's what the MRP says, but Nykaa offered it for like 454, and it's a eyeshadow palette of 18 shades. Swiss Beauty. I've read reviews of this and a lot of people seem to like it, so I wanted to check it out myself. First of all, let me tell you before we get into this that I am an absolute disaster at makeup. I can't do makeup for a living, but I am going to try and do this for you guys. I'm going to try out a shade. Oh yeah, before that I also got a bunch of 9 brushes. For actually the original MRP was 1200, but Nykaa was offering it for 899 and I got it for 808. I don't know what is it with Nykaa giving stuff for 408 rupees and 808 rupees, because I got this also for 408, 454, and there was further reduction. Like I said, I got it for 408 and I got this for 808. I think this was the most costliest item in the entire thing that I got. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use the eyeshadow brush, see how it works, and use the eyeshadow on my eyes and see if it is really worth it or not. So I'm going to go ahead and use the coral color. It is actually really pigmented and it's nice, because my previous eyeshadows I had to, not really, but I really like this. It's nice and subtle. I like coral colors. Very visible on my eyes, so this is not too dark. It's really nice. Okay, totally worth it. I really like the brush and I really like this. So yeah, totally worth it. Next up I got this Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. My mom wanted this, so I'm gonna try this out too, although it's my mom's. Really easy to apply. So yeah, I would give this also a really good rating. It is good. I got it for no wait, the original price was 199, but Nykaa was offering it for around 154 or 147. I think this reduced too, and I would have gotten it for a little lesser price. So yeah, this is also completely worth it. And the last and the final item that I got was this Faces Canada makeup setter or makeup fixer. Okay, so this is a really good company. Faces Canada is a really good company. So there was like this tough competition between Faces and Maybelline, because Maybelline was offering Maybelline and yeah. Okay, so why I chose Faces over Maybelline is because first thing, Maybelline was offering 60 ml of makeup setter for 474. Faces was offering 100 ml for 454. Everyone wants more for less, right? So I chose Faces, and this has done a really good job. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it on my face. Although I do not have makeup, I'm just gonna do it on this side because I at least have foundation. I should really stop talking while doing this stuff. Yeah, it's pretty good. Doesn't seem wet or anything, and it's drying up really fast. I think I should just wait for another 2 minutes or something to let it dry. But yeah, this I've heard, I've got really good reviews of this also, and I think it is totally worth it. Like I think this also was reduced like 454. Probably I got this also for 408 rupees or something. So my total bill of all of these 5 things was, oh yeah wait, I should try out my blush, and I will try out my blush on this side because I have not put the makeup setter on this side. I'm going to put it here. I really love these brushes. So yeah, let's go through like a complete quick review. So starting from the last one, the makeup setter, like I said, I got it for 454. Yes, let's just say 454, probably was a little lesser, but totally worth it. Then next up were these brushes. I just used 2 of these brushes, but there's foundation, and it's like a set of 9 brushes that I needed. This is the foundation brush. These are eye applicator and lip filler and all. One good thing about these brushes is that they have also mentioned what is for what, because for a makeup amateur like me, I really need to know which brush is for what, because I might just end up using this as a blush brush. So yeah, they actually mentioned this is a blush brush, this is a foundation brush, this is for eyeshadow, there's a lip filler, there's a lip liner, there is an eye glue, an eyeliner, and a mascara brush also. So a set of 9, which was earlier rated as 1200, came for 899 in the sale, and 808 was the final price I got it for. It was further reduction, guys. And next up is the eyeshadow palette. Like I said, it was 499, got for 454, and there was further reduction, got for 408. Completely worth it. It is pigmented, but it is also easily applicable to the eyes, so it is completely worth it. I would definitely recommend this. Then this kajal, like they say that it's really easy to apply on the eyes. What they said was completely true. It is true to its words. So it's really easy to apply to your eyes. You don't have to keep coloring your eye and making your eye water. It is easily applicable. Like you can see, my eye lid down has become dark, and on top also it has become dark. So yeah, this is totally worth it. I think I got for like 147 rupees, but it reduced further, so it would have been lesser. I don't really know. Then next up is this foundation. Although it is a shade darker, like you can see, this is not my shade, but it is a shade darker, but it is completely worth it because it is really easy to apply. You just have to put it on your skin and blend it in, and that's the work. You don't even have to put it on your hand and take it from here and put it. And I personally really like foundations that just have this quick thing so that you can just apply it on your face, because that's like I'm a really lazy person and I suck at makeup. So yeah, I got this. This was actually 750. It was 699. Got it for 699. There was probably further reduction, and I got it for lesser. So altogether, I got 5 things for 2,273, not 200. 2,273 rupees. This was what I spent for 5 basic things, basic makeup essentials everyone should have. So at the end of the day, I really think all of these are worth it. I'm going to link up all of these things in my description below. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a big thumbs up. I love you guys. Bye bye.